got the intro part, then you got the breakdown part. Y'all ready? Y'all ready back there? All right, here we go. Starting off, we slide to our left. Watch this. Slide with our left, we slide left, right, kick, kicks, slide, kick, kick. On the left, kick the left, kick the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, slide left, kick the right, slide, kick left, right. Do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and slide, kick, kick, slide, kick, kick. Everybody got that? Next move, everything starts on the left on this part. Back left, up left. Now the key is to get that left up, lift your knee up. What I'm saying, watch. Left, left, right, left, up. Left back, right. 5, 6, 7, left back, left, left up. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, left up. Now last move, she say with the knee. Out, in, up, back, quarter turn. Now, I don't like that move. But y'all can do it. I go out and up. I'm just saying. That's where she taught it now. I'm just saying. But you can do this. Either or. You can put it out. Up, back, turn. Your choice. Your choice. Now that's the choreographer's way. I'm just saying. But it's so fast. Y'all sitting there thinking about putting your knee out there. You know, like I said, you're probably going to do this anyway. I promise you all. I promise you all. Alright, so here we go. Let's take it from the top. 2 slides to the left, 2 kicks. Slide back left, back up left, right foot out. That's what we're going to do. Back, quarter turn. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, slide left and slide. Kick the left, kick the right. Slide left, kick the left, kick the right. Left back, left up, right out, in, up, left back, quarter turn. Then you do the same thing going that way. Slide, left, kick, kick, slide left, and kick, left back, left up, right out and up, left back to the back. You do that twice. So all you do it 2 times, every time. You hear what I said? How many times I say do that? Every time. You do both rotations twice. All right, turn around. We're going to take it from the top. We're going to keep it going. We're going to go at speed. See if y'all do them knees right. Here we go. Y'all ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, slide left, and kick, kick, slide left, and kick left back, left up, out and up, left back, turn, slide to your left, and slide, kick right, kick, kick, slide left, kick twice, left back, left up, right out and up, left back, and turn. Everybody good with that? Play the music. We'll do that with the music. Give me the music. Damn joke, man. Hey, for real. All right, here we go. Look. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Side left. Kick right. Side left. Kick right. Left back. Left up. Twist out up. Left back. Quarter turn. Do it again. Slide and kick. Left and kick. Left back. Left up. Right out and up. Left back. Stop. I'm showing off out here, man. I'm showing off. Now that's the whole first part. Now turn around. See, even though you're going to be on the back wall to start that first part. Turn around this way. I'm going to show y'all this part. Turn around to me. So y'all can see this. Because I don't want to go back there. So turn around here. You're going to start on that wall now. But this is how I go. The second part. Part 2. This is it. You're going to put the right down. Look. Right down. Kick. Left down. Kick. Lean back. Now you're going to lean back with the left back. Kick the right. Swing it. Kick. Kick. Right. Swirl. Quarter turn. Alright? Yeah, no, see, look, it's all there, look. Right down, left down, lean back, and kick, right, swirl, turn. That's all, just swirl to the left, quarter turn. That's all it is. 2 knees, 2 down. Watch, 1 down, up, lean, kick, right, swirl, tap. That's all it is. Alright, let's do that. And 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Left, lean back, kick twice, kick, right, swirl. That's all it is. Y'all got that? Everybody got that? We need to do that again? We need to do it again. I can do it one more time. Yeah, we're going to be back there. Yeah, but I'm saying I'm showing y'all because I ain't going back there. Yeah, we're going to start on back there. It don't matter because you do 2 rotations each time. You're going to do it on this wall. You're going to do it on both walls. Trust me. I'm just saying, when we turn back there, y'all know what to do when y'all back there. All right, here we go. Let's go. right down, left down. Back, kick, kick, swirl, turn. 5, 6, 7, did the right, down, kick, did the left, down, kick, lean back, kick the right, swirl, turn, and. Now, when you swirl, turn, you're going to do 2 pivots. It's a half pivot, but 2 of them on the right. You look quarter. Quarter turn, quarter turn. All on that right. Get to that wall. It's a half turn in all, 2 quarters. 2 quarters. Half turn. Alright? Let's do that. From the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, right down. Left down. Lean back. Kick the right. Swirl that left. Right down. Pivot. And pivot, turn. Pivot, turn. Now, when you pivot, turn, you're going to do 1 stay round. Right foot. And then do a left pivot, half turn. It goes up. Look. Left, right, left. I mean, right, left, turn. My bad. Damn. What the hell did I say left? I meant it. Watch this. Right. 1 stay round. Look. Right. Stay round. Left foot. Pivot, turn. That's all it is. 1. So, here we go. Let's do the pivot turn. Let's do the pivots. And do that stay round, pivot turn back this way. And 5, 6, 7, right foot and pivot. Do it again. Stay round. And left turn, pivot. Now, when you pivot turn, all you're going to do is you're going to start walking up left foot. Give me this. This is tempo. Left, right, low, right, left, right, stomp. Did y'all see that? Y'all didn't see that? Wait a damn minute. Hold on. All right, here we go. Big announcement. It's cicada. All right, here we go. Look, all you do when you do that turn, just walking. Left, right, left. You're going to roll on that left. So it's going like this, walk. Left, right, quick. Left, right, left. Do it again. Right, left. Do it again. And stomp. 5. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7. Walk it. Left, right, cha-cha. And roll. Roll again. Stomp. Bang. Now, when you stomp, hold on. We're about to finish the whole dance. This is it. I'm telling you, dance is. Now, and stomp. Going back. Left, right, up. That right comes up. And you're going to put it down on the right, up, half, quarter turn back. Quarter turn back. That's the whole dance. Then you do that part again, though. Yo, down. But you're going to be on this wall. Remember now, the first one starts over there. But, like I said, you're going to start over here. You're going to get both walls. So, what we're going to do is, turn around. So, we're going to do it the right way this time. Turn around. We're going to do it on that wall because it starts on that wall. Turn around to the back wall. Start on the back wall. Here we go. Now, do everything just because you're on a new wall. The dance don't change. Yeah, I see you looking back here. The dance ain't going to change. It ain't changing. Nah, from the right part. Nah, we're going to do the right part. The right did kick. Left did kick. Watch that cut. Wait a minute. Hold on. Woman. Okay, she over there. All right, there you go. And watch Bridget right there. Bridget know it. Okay, don't watch her. Don't spit. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. All right, plenty of time to go. All right, here we go. Right down, left down, lean back, kick the right, and swirl to pivot. Don't call it now. Pivot, 1 stay run, half turn, and walk. It's left, right, left, right, stomp, walk back. 3, 1, 2, up, back for the turn. Start over. That's what we're doing. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, right down, kick, left down, kick, lean back, kick, swirl, turn, pivot turn, 1 stay run, half turn, step, and walk. Left, right, roll it, do it again, stomp, walk back. Left, right, up, rock up to the front. See how I did? Now look, when you turn, look, right up, and turn. That's all look, right up, and right, left. Then you do it again. You do it, like I said, everything you do twice. So when you get on this wall, you do it again. Down, up, down, lean back, kick, swirl, turn, 2 pivots, right foot, pivot, turn, 1 stay run, right foot, left foot, pivot, turn, and walk. Left, right, 3, and roll. Do it again. Stomp, walk back. Left, right knee, left, right, up, back to the back wall. Dance starts over. Then you do that slide, kick. That's the whole damn thing. That's it. 2 parts. Ain't no bridges. Ain't no breakdown. Now, I'm going to tell y'all a little something. When it gets to the 3rd rotation and start breaking down, I might forget what I'm doing. I might not even call it out. So y'all be on your own. So what we're going to do, here we go. Take it from the top. We're going to do a 1 full rotation, which means 2 of the first part, 2 of the second part. We're going to do it with the music. Nothing changes. So we should end back. We'll end on the back wall. Start. All right, here we go with the slides. Left. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7. Slide left and slide. Kick. Slide left. Kick left, right. Left back. Left up. Right out and up. Left back turn. Do slide to your left. Kick left, right. Kick, kick. Slide and kick left back. Left up. Right out twist. Step back turn. Right down and kick. And kick. Lean back kick. Swirl. Turn. Pivot turn. Pivot. Say run. Turn. Walk it out. Go. And left. Right. Left, right. Left roll. Roll. Stomp. Walk back. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Up. Right out. Do it again. Right down. Lean back and kick. Right. Swirl left. Pivot turn. Look. Pivot. Turn. Say run. 1. Left pivot turn. Walk it. And left. Right. Left, right. Roll. Left. Roll. Stomp. Walk back. Left. Right. 3. 1, 2, 3. Right up. Right back. And then you slide. Kick. Kick. Slide. Kick left back. Left up. Right out and up. Left back turn. Slide to your left. And slide. Kick left right. Slide left. Kick left right. Left back. Lift it up. Left up. Right out and up. Put the right down. Dig. Go. Down. Kick. Lean back. Kick. Swirl. 2 pivots. Turn. Right pivot. Say run. Left foot turn. Walk. Left foot. Left. Right. Left right. Roll. Do it again. Stomp. Walk back. Right. Left right. Left right. Up. Right. Do it again. Right down. Left down. Lean back. Kick. Swirl. Turn. And pivot. Say run. Left pivot turn and walk. 3. Roll. Roll it. Stomp. Walk back. And left right knee right up. Turn to the front. And slide. Just start over. That's whole there. That is it. Alright, play the music. Crank it up. Do what you know. Hey look, by the end of this dance, I'm telling you, somebody gonna get their last rotation right and they're gonna want to do it again. I'm telling you now, we ain't doing it again. So get it right early. I know somebody gonna say one more again. Probably, yeah, probably Ziggy back there in the damn back. Alright, play it, crank it. Give me some music though. Let me crank it up. I want to feel that right there. Y'all can hear me, right? Y'all can hear me. It's that music. It's the music will get it though. It's that music. I'm telling y'all. When is song? I don't know. Okay, here we go. All right. 5, 6, 5, 6. Slide to your left. Kick left, right. Slide left. Kick left, right. Left back. Left up. Right out up. Left back for the turn. Slide to your left. Kick. Slide to your left. Kick. Left back. Left up. Right out and up. For the turn. Put the right down. Kick. Left down. Kick. Lean back. Kick. Twirl. Pivot turn. Stay run. Up. Left. Half turn. Walk it. Go. Left, right. Left, right. Roll it. Stomp. Walk back. Left, right, left. Right up. Turn to the front. Right down. Kick. Look down. Kick. Lean back. Kick. Squeeze. Turn. Pivot turn. Stay run up. And right. Left, and turn. Walk left. Right. Left, right. Roll. Roll. Stomp it. Walk back. Left, right. Left, right. Up. Start it. On side left. Kick. Slide to your left. Kick. Slide back left. Up left. Right out and up. Left back for the turn. Slide left. Slide. Kick. Kick. Slide. Kick left back. Left up. Right out and up to the front. Right down. Left down. Lean back. Kick. Swirl. 2 quarter turns here. Stay run. Half turn. Walk. Go. Walk. Roll. Roll again. Stomp. Walk back. Left. Right. Up. And turn. Kick it down. Kick. Lean back. Kick. Swirl. Pivot turn. Stay run. Turn, walk, just walk, 3 steps, put it down, roll it, stomp, walk back, lift, right up to the front and side, so all over. Here we go, this is my skill right here. Back left, up left, out and up, left back turn, side, left, and kick, slide, kick, back left, right up, let's go. Put it down, lean back, kick, swirl, 2 pivot turn, right pivot, stay run, pivot turn, then walk, 3, roll again, stomp, walk back, left, right up, right back turn, put it down, lean back, squeeze, swirl, pivot turn, stay run, right foot, left foot turn, walk left, and walk, and left, roll, stomp that left, walk back, lift up, right up, and slide to your left, slide, kick, slide, left back, left up, out and up, right, left back turn, slide to your left, kick, slide left, kick, left back, left up, right out and up, left back turn, right down, kick, lean back and kick, swirl, 2 pivot turn on the right, Stay run. Left with hand turn, walk it out and left, right, roll. Go to the left, walk back, left, right, up, back hand turn, kick and down, kick, lean back, kick, swirl, hip turn on the right. Stay run. Left hip turn, walk, and left, right, roll on it, walk back, and left, right, up, and turn. That's